We checked yet.
We haven't checked that other house all the way over there. Ooh, that looks very scary. I like it.
What if there are ghosts in there?
Oh, Wenda, that would be pretty scary, but me,
Let's see. I'm sorry, Gray. Whenever I get really nervous, I get gassy and I burp.
It's okay, Wenda. I'm not gonna make fun of you. Yeah, you know what? Let's just keep focusing up. Let's go over here to these ghosts' house.
Oh, sorry.
Wenda, can you please stop burping? That is very disgusting.
I'm sorry. I can't go in there. You have to go by yourself.
Okay, I know, I get it. You need a very strong man to go check to see if there's any body parts in here.
Yeah, you're my strong man.
Oh, yeah. All right, I don't see any body parts in here, Wenda. I checked every square inch, and there's no ghosts.
That's a relief. We're still missing our body parts and time's running out. We have to hurry.
Yeah, I wonder how much time we have left, Wenda. Look, there's a nice campfire here. This would be a perfect spot to take you on a